What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, no, I did say I was gonna start doing things. Today we're gonna be making oatmeal chocolate chip truffle blossom cookies. That is super hard to say, but today I'm gonna tell you what we need. We first need all-purpose. Well, we need flour, baking soda, salt, brown sugar. There was no brown sugar, so we got light brown sugar, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, water, vanilla extract, oatmeal, regular oatmeal, chocolate chips, and kisses. We're going to put this on the top once we're done. But, start us off, we need this. Okay, so we have 1 3/4 cup of flour. Now we're going to need a teaspoon of salt and baking soda in this precious bowl right here. So, let me see if I know how to do this.
Oh, goodness.
Okay, that's around a teaspoon, right? More than a teaspoon, maybe. Now we have some salt. Okay, and that is a teaspoon of salt. Alright, guys, so we have mixed, well, not necessarily mixed that. Now we're going to put the butter and both sugars. We have 2 sticks of unsalted butter in a different bowl right here. Okay. Then we have 1 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar in here. And then we have 1/2 of granulated sugar in here. Now I need to figure out if I'm supposed to mix this or not. Oh yeah. We're going to mix this until it is a pale color. You can, I guess. So we have made this into a. Keep mixing until it's a light, pale yellowish thing, and it's a fluffy mixture. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 eggs. Make sure not to get any shells, because nobody wants to eat any shells. And then there's another thing. Now we need to add 2 tablespoons of water. So 1, 2. You need to add 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that's 1 teaspoon, and there's half teaspoon. Okay, we're good. Okay, so we have this mixture, the flour, salt, baking soda mixture, and we're gonna pour it in here while we are mixing. Okay. So now we have 2½ cups. Well, yeah, 2½ cups of oatmeal, and we have 1½ chocolate chip. We're gonna grab a creepy tablespoon and put it around an inch apart. So we're gonna need a little more than this. Now this is a huge thing. So this is a huge mix. Lots of stuff in this mix. Alright, so now we're going to bake it for 7 to 8 minutes. So let's put this in the oven. Okay. Alright guys, so I am back and we have finished. This is the finished product, and take a taste test. And I'm grateful for that. Thank you. I did hear.
Don't forget you have to put the Hershey kiss on the top.
Yeah. After it's done, take a Hershey's kiss and put it on top. Let it sit there. We made 4 bags of cookies. Messed up, but at the end, it's good. And guys, let's go, guys. Next time. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. So I know this is awful quality. I used my phone last time, but please let me know if y'all guys really like this video. There'll be more recipes coming if y'all guys want to, and please let me know what I need to, fix up on, or what, I don't know. If y'all guys have questions in the comments, I will let y'all guys know. And cause yeah, I was really confusing, it was really wrapped up in once. And yep, just hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know what I need to do, make it better quality, and I will see y'all guys in the next one. See y'all guys.